Okay, these are holiday solutions, so holiday prep solutions. So these are designed to get you up to speed with pretty much everything that we've done in the first term. And if you've struggled with this at all, you really should follow all of these through and then attempt your corrections. So the first question I'm going to put here, this is question 1, is print out all the integers from 1 to n. So we want a subroutine to do this. Just need to do the Python interpreter, do that first quickly. Okay, all of the integers from 1 to n. So the question you need to ask yourself is, what is n? Well, as soon as you ask that sort of question, that becomes the parameter to the subroutine or the function. So in this case, it's not going to return anything, so it's actually going to be a procedure type of subroutine without a return value, remember. So let's create a new subroutine, def, and give it a name. So let's say all numbers. Let's call it print all numbers. Print, let's say print positive integers. Positive integers, and we're going to go all the way up to n. Okay, so what do we want to do? Well, we know how many integers we want. Okay, there's going to be n of them, and if we know in advance how many times we want to do something, we then incorporate a for loop. So we're going to say for. Now we need some variable that does the counting for us. Quite often programmers use I, and then we say in range, and we want to go from 1. So we're going to start at 1. The starting, notice that the starting point is 1. If we don't include a starting point, then the starting point is 0 by default. So we're going to start from 1, and we're going to stop at not n plus 1. Well, we're going to stop at n. So basically, we always make sure this is 1 more than the actual value of the stopping. So we're going to stop at n, so this needs to be n plus 1, remember. And then we're simply going to do print I. Okay, let's test that out. So in order to test this out, we need to call the function. At the moment, this isn't being used. In fact, if I'll show you, if I run this, nothing happens. It just ends. Okay, so we need to actually call that. So let's call that procedure, print positive integers, and let's test it with 10. And now let's run it. And there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's test it again with 100. Print, and we get all the numbers up to 100 from starting with 1.